falls, covers all. Let's go outside and have a ball. Slide down a hill, let's build a snowman in this winter wonderland. Families meet, friends we greet, to ring in Christmas cheer. That's why, for me, it's my favorite time of the year. On Christmas Eve when I was a boy, I couldn't sleep at night, dreaming about what Santa might bring. I tossed and turned through the night. But now I've grown up, got some kids of my own, and I realized that it's not the material things, it's what togetherness brings. Christmas lights decorating the tree, these things are dear to me. Singing songs and caroling all,